Hello guys, welcome to my video. I'm gonna show you my tour of my house tour. Sorry guys if I misspell it. Where's my house again? Oh, this is my house. So this is where my house. I'm gonna show you my. Oops, I forgot I lock it. Yeah, I'm gonna always lock it because intruders always come to my house. I'm not liking that happen anymore. And I'm gonna show you everything in my house later on. So guys, here. This is where I lay down and rest. But not sleep. This is where I play too. This is my bedroom. I don't know why my roommate buy this on the game. Stay weird. What is that? I don't like that wooden pillow. That's weird. Oh yes. It said stay weird. Wow. Wait guys. Wait. Okay guys, welcome. I'm back. This is where I work. Yeah, this is where I work. Oops, I forgot to remove this. And this is where I put my things. This is where I put my taco, cooked chicken. There, guys. This is where I buy things and I have things there. And ice cream. I wanna get ice cream here. It is good. Oh, pink, no. Eh, eh. Oopsie, guys. I forgot to unlock it so I can come here. Okay, guys. This is where I play. This is where I scooter. You can see that. I don't know why this is a loading screen. Wait, guys. Hello, guys. I just rejoined the game. So it's because I will not get any food anymore because that happens the reload. I couldn't see properly, and this is where I cook my grill. This is where I like. Hey, say hi to my roommate. Where's my roommate? Where's my roommate? Where is he? Where is she? I know I have a roommate here. I think it leave. Hey, this is my roommate. You say hi to my roommate. That's my roommate. Say hi. Friend. I don't know why I say that. And if I forgot if I already like showed you this. So this is my washing machine. Oh, that's not my washing machine. Oh yeah, I remember. Sorry guys. What happened here? No! I'm just exploring, guys. I know I built this, but I forgot what I put on. And this is where. What's this? Hey! Roommate! Why did you close that? Okay, here. This is where my electric is here. Ah, here, right there. This is where I. This is where my electricity there. If this is a cool picture, please like say in my comments cool picture. If I didn't say I have a, this is the internet and this is the PlayStation 5, my family. Oh, there you can see that, guys, and here. Oh yeah, I forgot, guys. Did you already see my pool? Pool. This is the best pool ever. Swimming pool. I'm gonna jump down. Hey. Oh no, it's dark. That why get in before the aswang. Get me slow. Filipino edition house. Of course, Filipino. I live in Filipino too. Can I start my car? I got to fix it later after the video. I'm gonna do a part 2 later. Hey, this is my other partner's house. This is my other partner's house. This is not my house. This is my other partner house. See? Oh, got to have my partner. Hello, partner. This is where my partner's house, other partner. Only partners in Roblox, not real life, guys. Oh no, I wait, guys. I got to sleep first. I got to sleep in the game. Where's my bed? Guys, guys, good night. See you tomorrow. It's still not the end, guys. Just wait. Hello, guys. My my roommate in the game like wake me up, so I get to wake up. It's still like 5 in the morning. So, but I got to get in and get my food. Let's go, guys. Hey, why can I not hear? Still yummy. See, my roommate picked me up some. My roommate in the game picked me up some food right here. I got to cook my own food. Wait, guys. Hello, guys. I'm done cooking my own hamburger, and I'm gonna sit in my own table now. Let's go. Let's go. Yum yum. That's so yummy. That's so yummy, guys. Let's go outside and try to buy something. Oh yeah, I forgot I locked my house. It's going to be a morning now. We got to go. Got to buy my food. Still raining anyway. It's hard to see the rain. Rain, rain, go away. I already opened that thing up and I got to go get my own car. I parked my car here. I don't know why I parked my car so really far, but I like it like this way. So guys, I'm bad at driving on controller. So guys, go to my store. Wait, my store's not in that direction. Sorry guys, I'm gonna go to my store for a minute. Hello guys, I'm done buying things. I still got my food, but I already ate my food outside in the game. And I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna work for a second now. Let's go guys. Okay, the time is going to be fast. Let's find a new music. Wow! Wow! Okay, dang. If you cannot read it, that one is Roblox, and the other one, the next of the Roblox, the white is the Roblox, and the other one, second of the white is about, and the up is clock and backlight and display and music. Okay, guys. If you're confused, what is in my computer? Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I'm going to a little bit turn off some of my lights. Okay guys, turn off some of my lights because I don't want to waste electricity. No, 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 yeah! Intruder alert! Intruder alert! Run! An intruder come! And I forget about you guys. This is my hiding spot when it's a intruder. Intruder alert! Are you safe? Intruder gone. Okay guys. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, I'm done making a video and thanks for watching my channel, and I already called the police. Why is still in my house?